Hello, my name is R+Co. I'm the co-founder and creative director of R+Co. I'd like to introduce you to Sail, which is our soft wave spray. And like all of our products, the names really say what they do. Soft waves. Nothing sticky, nothing harsh, but shiny, silky hair. Think of it as a hybrid of the salt sprays. We have one called Rockaway, and for some people it is just too harsh, especially if you've got dry, coarse hair. So what we've done is create this hybrid that we call Sail. So let's get right into it and we'll talk about the product. Here we are with Emily. She's got beautiful long hair, but like anything, I want to give her a nice haircut. So I'm going to cut the bangs in, a little bit of texture through the sides, and then use Sail to create a very simple, soft texture. So I'm going to use Analog because every great style starts with a great shampoo. Analog is our conditioning shampoo, and you can find it on our website to find out more about it. Anyway, let's get over to the basin and get on with the show. So here we're back from the shampoo bowl, and the haircut, I want to sort of give her a French 1960s. There's an actress called Françoise Hardy, who was a singer, maybe an actress, but bangs. Something very interesting. I want to release a bit of weight through the rest of the haircut, which will encourage texture, and then in turn the product does its magic as well. Let's talk about some of the benefits of Sail. It's gluten free, it's vegan, it has UV protection, it's colour safe, and it protects from hot tools. Now what we like to do is take out all the crap that's been in products for years. Things like parabens, sulfates, sodium chloride, sodium lauryl sulfate, any artificial colouring, and all of the mineral oils, the harsh detergents, petrochemicals, and any animal derivatives. This gives us something which we are proud of and we really don't need in products. Before we talk about the ingredients, I've finished with the haircut. I just want to show Emily how to actually use this product because it's very important that she knows how to use the product we've got in her hair. So I'm going to start using it at the roots where I want lift, which is above the ear, around the crown, and that's the only place you'd really use it, through the roots. And then we use it through the ends just to encourage that soft sort of silky wave that we're looking for. And there is our version of a soft wave. You can see Emily is much better at it than me. I'm going to continue sort of styling. I'm going to use a blow dryer, using my hands to sort of scrunch the wave into the hair. And you can see it's still soft, very touchable. Nothing mad about this product. So, ingredients. Achillea mellifolium, that was well said, or yarrow extract, just absorbs excess oil in the hair and on the scalp. It leaves the hair with body and fullness. It's very important. We use a fruit oil called Amia that provides amazing shine, luster, while it's nourishing and conditioning. So that's pretty good. Geranium maculatum. This is really hard to say in Scotland. Or cranesbill is a botanical extract. It strengthens the hair and adds shine. We also have aloe vera, oak, rosehip, comfrey, chamomile, lemongrass, and these just provide an amazing conditioning and softening, especially to dry hair. That's how we get that silky soft hydration and just that beautiful look. So we're finished with the dry. Just beautiful. Just checking my haircut. She looks incredible, and the product's done its job. Let's take some pictures. Very soft, it's touchable, it's silky and shiny. Everything that you really don't expect from a salt spray. Here's Robert, who's one of my team. He's actually using a double barrel iron. If you can't get one of them, just get a single. But don't leave it in too long. You're not looking for a curl, you're looking for a bit of a wave. So he's just finishing up there. We're going to get dressed up, put her on set, change the light, and get on with our photos. So here we are on set. You can see the hair is beautiful. It's shiny, silky, just everything we said about Sail. Now I'm going to take some pictures, and I think we should all be doing photography on everything we do. Any chance we get, we document. It's so important to be able to look back at your work to see how we're moving forward. This has been R+Co Sail. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in the future. maybe.